Well, sitting here doing vlogs out of content. Waiting for my girlfriend to come. Technically, she's not my girlfriend yet. You know? So, what I think about it, folks? I don't know what to say. Talking about Nyla, my friend Ashley, and stuff like that, you know. Well, unfortunately, or fortunately, or whatever, okay. Well, trying to be with Nyla. My cousin Macy talk all kind of crap about Nyla and stuff like that. Shame on you, Macy. You know, don't know a damn thing about Macy. You know, I mean Nyla. You know, Well. Just because I want her in my house, but guess what? They wanted to take over my house. You know, thank God I got deep in control now. You know, cause let me tell y'all something. As far as I know, they want to take over my house. You know, my cousins, my aunties, and all that, the bad ones. That's because they hungry for money. You know, that's the whole deal. You know, but I don't know what the hell happened. So before my mom passed away, my mama had a $50 bill in her purse, and it came up missing. You know, how the hell can her money come up missing like that? You know. So anyway, my auntie, my arrogant auntie, called my house, cursing me out, talking about that I was talking about that they was stealing money from my mom and stuff like that. They must be guilty. She must be guilty calling my fucking phone. You hear me? But guess what? Don't fucking worry about it. You know, I should have cursed her ass back. You hear me? On the serious side, though, I'm so glad. I am definitely happy, very, very happy that them douchebags is gone. You know. So hey, on the serious side, though, I'm letting everybody know what the hell is this. You know. So on that note, it's a shame for me to air my family business out like that. You know, but I'll never piss a mentally disturbed person off. You know, never. Okay. Unlike Natasha Ned, I Empress Segment. Maybe she had a mental problem or something. You know, maybe because she filmed herself holding a gun and holding a machete or something like that, you know. She must have had a mental problem or something, you know. And then, I don't know, to be honest with you, though, okay? So, I mean, on the serious side, though, if somebody doing things out of contents, it could be mentally distressed, you know. I don't know, to be honest with you, though. But on the serious side, though, it's just like somebody like some white girl or white man doing something to a black man or something, like a black man or black woman or black victim or child or whatever, you know. And then they saying that's mental illness or something like that. And talk about molesting a child and stuff like that, and then they might say that's mental illness, you know. But anyway, I don't know if people like that is making up words making up excuses just for that person. I don't know. Okay, I really don't know the deal to that. Okay. Well, I thought someone was behind me, you know. But as I was saying, folks, like saying that that person have a mentally disturbed, you know, like a mental problem or whatever, you know. I don't know what else to say about that though, you know. I'm not sure who in the hell would have a mental problem, you know. Wouldn't say anything like that though, you know. By looking at people committing harmful crimes and all that. Well, that's all Dominoes got to say. I'm tired. I'm about to go to sleep. Okay. I mean that the Aretha Franklin video. Me watching the Aretha Franklin funeral should be uploaded soon. Okay. All right. That's it. Bye.